Attention, attention, calling all hus. We have acquired 2 cargo jackets and we're turning them into the cutest bag of all time. These Fendi Baguette bags have been on my Pinterest board forever. I really love this denim one in particular. I wanted to make something more camo adjacent, so let's go. Let's go. Dare I say thrift flipping is kind of like being a sculptor. I have this big chunk of jacket and I have to find the bag inside of it. I'm using this pattern that I found online for free. I will link it. This pattern did not include the flap, so I'm pretty much just cutting one extra front piece and using that as the flap. This is gonna be really friggin' cute. The rain is so peaceful. I love it. I took a quick trip to one of the only fabric lands left and got some interfacing. I just forgot to record. We have our front and back pieces cut out, our flap cut out, our gusset, and now I just have to do the same thing for the interfacing and for the lining. I don't know if I should add interfacing to the flap, because the flap has to be flappy. So if the interfacing will probably make it stiff. Or will it be too flappy if everything else has interfacing? I don't know. Blah, blah, blah. To wrong side of the upper collar, outer cuff facing. Okay, so in all capital letters, they're saying always use a damp press cloth, and we're not gonna do all that. We're just gonna iron it down. I'm pretty sure it's the rough side that goes onto the wrong side of the fabric, and then you iron it. Let's give it a go. Maybe we'll meet at a bar. He'll drive a funky car. Just want to make sure all those little glue dots have melted. And I think that they have. This is going to be so cute. Ironing the interfacing onto the fabric was very therapeutic and I really enjoyed this step. The interfacing is needed when you're making a bag because it makes the fabric stiffer and more durable. Kindness will warm another soul. Are y'all souls warm? I sewed my lining pieces together and it did come out wonky. This is the second time it's happened to me. I don't know why. But we move on. And now we're sewing the main fabric pieces together. Sewing the gusset piece to the front or back can be tricky because of the curve. So if you're doing this, just really take your time. If you literally have to go stitch by stitch by stitch, do that. It is worth the effort. I think I'm gonna go with this side as the front because when I put the flap on it, look like that. And I think that looks cute. Yeah, no. I re-sewed the lining pieces. I really took my time. It still came out a bit wonky, but you know what? Life isn't perfect. You gotta move on. I added a lining to my flap piece and did a top stitch. and then added lining to my actual bag. I did this the wrong way. Do it right sides together. Don't be like me.
But right now, a lot of people are struggling to find words, doing labels, interviews, costume styles.